Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today we are going to do page 99, my favorite athletes. Okay? So we are going to read about Zara's favorite athlete. My favorite athlete is Nicole David. She is a famous Malaysian squash player. Her nickname is Duracell Bunny because she's very good at moving fast around the court. Nicole began winning international championships when she was only 13 years old. I think she is the best squash player in the world. Okay, now Zara's favorite is Nicole David. If you look in your textbook, page activity 2, okay, you have to transfer information from this tag to the space provided. The name of the athletes, sport that she play, her nickname, her nationality, what is she good at, and what Zara thinks of this person. What Zara thinks of Nicole David. Okay, next. Second activity that I want you to do is I want you to write about your favorite athletes, okay? It doesn't have to be someone from Malaysia. It can be anyone, any athletes. A footballer or volleyball player, anyone that you know, Usain Bolt, Cristiano Ronaldo, okay? Anyone, it can be anyone. You write about them. You can follow this template. Okay, let us read. My favorite athlete is, for example, Cristiano Ronaldo. Please choose the suitable pronouns here. He or she. Okay? Now, since I choose Cristiano Ronaldo, so it must be he, okay? He is a famous, what does he play? Football. Okay, again, where is he from? He's from Portugal, I think. Okay, he's from Portugal. And now, probably you don't know his nickname, but you can tell anything that you know about him. He plays for, I think now he's playing for Juventus, right? Okay, so he's plays for Juventus, a club from Italy. And what do you think about him? I think he is a very skillful football player. Okay, and you probably think he is the best footballer in the world. Okay, now let's do it together. Okay, my favorite athlete is Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo. He is a famous footballer. He is from Portugal. And then, what you want to talk about him? He plays for Juventus. Okay, I think he is a skillful player and the best footballer in the world. Okay, this is just an example. You can do or choose your own athletes. It can be Malaysian athletes or someone from other country. So that's all for today. Bye.